Hello everyone, welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to deepen your voice in Premiere Pro, and this is going to be a very easy tutorial. So first of all, as you can see, this is my tutorial video right here. I want to edit it, but I want it to have a deepen voice. So I can go to effects, I can go here pitch shifter. As you can see, I can drag this on my audio, and I can say, yes, you're adding an obsolete effect. Would you like add a new version of effect instead? You can click yes if you want, and then you can go effect controls here, click edit here, and here you can change this, by the way, however you want, but you can just make it a little bit, behind semitones, so make them a little bit to the left. Now let's hit space to here.
Show you how to add a glitch effect.
As you can see, this is how to deepen your voice. If you want a little bit less deepen, you can click here.
Now, as you can see, I have a Halloween theme.
And then also make sure that high precision is checked here, and also use appropriate default settings. You can play around with these settings, but this is pretty much what it works for this type of video. You also have here a lot of different presets that you can use. For example, angry gerbil, for example,
video right here.
And stuff like that, right? But pretty much what you will need to do is, if you want to deep your voice, go here. If you want to do opposite of deepen your voice, go here, right? So that's pretty much how to do it. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.